to my channel, Literally J. Thank you so much for joining me in for another video. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do fashion, beauty, motivational, and home decor content on my channel. And now let's get to the video. Because of this coronavirus, we've been locked up at our home, and that just made me wanting to do stuff around the house. And my poor husband, I made him redo my dressing room, and I participated. I've done a few things. I've kind of actually made a chandelier that's sitting in front of me, so you know what, that's kind of cool. So I have participated as well. So you're gonna see that in this video. Let me know your thoughts on that. Also, before I go on and on, I'm sorry, my wing liner is gone a bit crazy. The girls out there, they would understand my pain. Getting the perfect wing liner is a forever struggle, okay? So I thought I had it down and it looked kind of nice. Then I kind of went in and went mad, and this is what happened, guys. I'm so sorry I'm recording this video with my crazy mad wing liner. If it offends you, I'm so sorry. Okay, now let's get to the video. In this video, I am going to show you what my dressing room looked like before, what it looks like now, and if you have any questions, anything that you see in my dressing room that you think, ooh, where'd you get that from, ask me and I shall let you know. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Leave me your thoughts below, and I hope you enjoy it. We're changing the color.
Yeah, you're changing, not me.
Changing the color from pink and gray. It's gonna be all white.
Bully.
Not a bully, that's so harsh. So it's gonna be all transformed, you guys, and all the silver is gonna be painted gold, even tiniest bits. And even the frames, I'm gonna change color every single thing, transforming the room because I'm so tired of the pink. So yeah, so now the room is all finished and all white. And now we are gonna paint the chandelier while it's still hanging. We had choices of either completely taking it off or taping around here, the coving. But then we figured, why don't we just put the dust sheets around? So if we need to paint somewhere else, well, we could just paint it white. That's it, really. And now we're ready to go spray painting. Fun stuff, right, Bobby?
Yeah, great. Fantastical.
He hasn't been to the gym, but he's still a good babe.
Yeah. Right, before we start,
yeah,
there's not dust on this.
Okay, let me get a cleaner. Let's go. I want to see what it looks like golden.
Right.
You have to keep certain centimeters away. Don't spray paint me.
Alright, nice. Where'd they go?
Nowhere. Go. Let me see. Keep away, yeah? Because it says if you have to keep a certain centimeters away so it doesn't get like wet. Look.
Yeah, look.
Okay, come on then.
Let's start again.
It's okay, leave it.
It's got a legit mark there.
Oh god, we're having problems already.
No, it's my fault. I should have done it far back, you're right there.
We're making mistakes for you so you don't have to. It smells strong, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Sure, open the window. Damn, son. Let me open the window. Okay, we'll be right back. Mind the mess. This is all my makeup stuff. Now we're gonna paint the table legs and even those knobs. Whoops. This mess is driving me crazy, but it's okay. It's gonna look pretty. Should we paint this too, babe? So we have done the frames. The light is all done.
They're all dry now.
Dry, and we're doing the candle bits.
Just waiting, yeah.
And Jagia, how's it all looking?
Very nice and warm. And Daddy's can't have his iPad. His iPad is downstairs in the living room on the glass on the table.
Oh dear.
And my iPad is on the glass on the table too.
Where?
Outside in my back garden.
Well, why don't you go get the iPad so it doesn't get blown away and it breaks and you can never use it? Do you want to go bring it inside?
No, I need to watch it outside.
Oh, well, okay. we're gonna carry on finishing this. So this mirror was white. I was gonna take a picture of it before, but I'll show you now a little sneak peek of how everything is coming along. As you've seen, those paintings were silver before, and now the frames are gold. Okay, I don't want to give away too much. So now I'm getting this chandelier back together. So you get to see a little bit of sneak peek of what's to come. I don't want to show more. So it is time to make my chandelier. All of the fringe and the bits have arrived. Also, the base has arrived, and I'm gonna paint this base gold, and I'm gonna see if I want to keep this. So this is type of Chineswa Oriental lamp. So I'm thinking about keeping this bit because it looks kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making this, and I shall come back and show you how I get on with it. If you want me to do another video where you want me to walk you through each single step, I could, but this is just it's gonna be a super long video if I show you every single bit. Also, I'm using a flower branch, just a little branch to get my glue and put the glue on the strings. I'm gonna paint the base gold, and initially I thought if I don't like this bit, I was gonna paint it, but I kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave that. So I still have to paint the base gold. I'm gonna do that after because I don't want to mess up and get anything on my fringe, so I could just kind of get an idea of what's happening on here. But so far, yeah, let me know what you guys think. The room is all done. It's all white and gold. I'll start from this corner. So this was the white mirror that me and Bobby painted. Well, Bobby painted most of the things Bobby painted. These frames, as you probably have seen before, they were all silver, so we painted them as well. This little table and the chair are the new addition, and I just got them in gold, and this is where sort of my inspiration started from. I saw this chair and I had to have it because I needed a new chair. I don't know if you know, my last chair was acrylic and it wasn't very comfortable, and I work from home a lot, so I needed something comfy. I'll put the link below where the chair and the table came from, and let me know if anything that you see in here you want to know where it came from. I'll also put the link below. So this is the side. So much easier now because I could take my pictures and show you the outfits properly with a good light. That was the whole point of this all. So I could stand here, mind you, I'm in my socks and my robe. Hello. So yeah, also this chandelier, it looks so stunning, painted gold. So that's this side, and let me show you this side. Well, it kind of looks the same, well, but we painted the legs and these handles gold. And I've got these little trays. This tray was in my kitchen, right? It was a plastic tray, never used it, totally ugly color. So because I had the gold paint, I went mad and painted this as well. And I put all my perfumes that were sitting up there, I brought them down there. Now it's just more convenient. And this is all of my skincare products. I could reach them easily. And yeah, and this is my makeup in bits. So I threw so much of my makeup out, as you probably noticed before. I'm not sure, I think I shared it before. So all these things were filled with makeup, right? So I threw so much makeup away that I don't even use anymore. Also the glasses, I'm not sure if I want to keep them like that. I might change that in the future, but for now I'm keeping them there. Now this drawer is a bit messy because I'm in the midst of receiving more makeup, so I might be throwing this situation, some of it out, but I'm not sure. I need to go through it properly. So it's a bit messy. And then I've got my hair accessories and a few bits that I've left them in there. It's just convenient my bags in there. That's my newest by far bag, and I've got a couple more other bags. I can't even talk. Other bags to unbox, which I will be putting them in there. And I threw so many of my bags, not threw them, but I'm gonna donate them, and so it looks a little bit cleaner. And all my jewelry is in here. Now, this idea I came across on Amazon. I think it's brilliant. I still need to declutter my jewelry because there's so much stuff in here that I don't even wear anymore. So I will get to that soon, hopefully. Let me show you how I've organized my closets. I'll start with the shoes. There we go. Try to keep them color coordinated. I'm running out of space, you guys. I threw so many of my shoes out. I'm still running out of space. It's a little bit messy, but it'll do for now. That's that. So in this section over here, I've got my casual wears like hoodies and things, and on top is just the bits like hats and extra bags that I don't really need. Also at the bottom, I've kept just, I don't know, sandals and things, and it has so many cushions in this room, which I put them in there. So these are the things that I don't readily need. I've kind of just organized them in there, and I've got my, obviously, camera stuff, as you can see. Just put that in there, and I could take it out as and when I need it. Okay, moving right along. Now, this area is all my tops. Kid you not, I got rid of so many tops, and this is still looking full. So what I'm gonna do, the idea is in the next 6 months, I'm gonna see if I wear them. If I don't wear anything, then I'm gonna get rid of it. Honestly, I got rid of so many bags. I still have loads. So what the rule of thumb for me going forward is, if I don't wear anything for the next 6 months, I'm gonna donate, sell, whatever. And down here is my blazers. Try to color coordinate. Okay, moving right along. Here we've got dresses. Up there is just backpacks and things, and my steamer, which I am gonna use in a minute. Now in here, we've got trousers, skirts, shorts, all the bits. And this area, I've got all my boots. And that's just extra boxes and bits I'm keeping that I will be using soon. And that is it, guys. And this is the view. I love this view, especially now. Bobby painted the wall gray in the garden, so it looks even nicer. How could I even forget? Yes, it looks amazing, doesn't it? It's a bit tilted because I haven't really glued it properly, which I am gonna do later on. But yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? I love this area now. It's so pretty. Let me know what you think of the transformation, and if you have any questions of where I got any of these things from, and any questions on how to paint the chandelier, I will walk you through. But that's it. That's my dressing room, guys. I love it. Okay, so before I wrap up the video, I wanted to show you how I am planning on staying organized when it comes to my clothes for, I would say, 7 days. As you know, on my feed, I do color palettes. So next color palette is yellow, white, gold. I'm kind of mixing it up, but just trying to keep it still clean. So so this rack thing I got from eBay, and it was like 20 pounds, and it was white, and I decided to hand paint it gold, which looks stunning. And yeah, and I've ordered these gold hangers as well, because why not, right? And I think it just kind of looks really nice, right? And I've got more shoes that are going in there, and I've got a little bit of unboxing that I will be incorporating in my new feed that's coming up. So that'll be happening this week. And yeah, so this is it, guys. This is how I'll be staying organized, and I don't really need to reach into my closets. Everything will be out here, and I don't need to waste time thinking what I'm planning on shooting or wearing during that week. So yeah. Okay guys, so that was the video. Let me know what your thoughts are. In my next video, I am doing a luxury hauler too, and also there's a garden project that's going on right now. So we're changing the back garden around, and I have kind of recorded bits and pieces of that, so I will share that with you. Till then, guys, take care, stay safe, stay at home, and I'm sending you all my love. Bye bye.